Okay, let me show you how I got my Bluetti. Right now I got lights hooked up. I got 4 LED lights. I got my fan up there. Let me show you this Bluetti that I have under here. I don't really have anything in here right now. I'm about to show you with the microwave going, show you that it's capable. I got my Amazon hooked up there, and I got the microwave plugged up. As you know, the Bluetti comes with 6 plugs. Alright, so I'm just gonna press the little 30-second button here. Got it going. So those who don't know, that's the Bluetti. Is running the microwave. Because it's a 2,000 watt inverter built in, I'm pulling over 1,000 watts, and it's still going. Mind you, we got the refrigerator air compressor going. Open it up just so you can see the little ice. Got water, got a orange juice in there. So microwave just went, still going. Went back down to 56. These Amazons take up nothing. It's just 0. Got this cord going to the little light switch on the other side here. And so here's the Bluetti once again. Got it going to the microwave, fridge. And here is the fuse box. Right here, the DC output. Got hooked up to the DC output. This is 25 amps. So I got these 25 amps hooked up to the airport connection. Is going all the way up to the fuse box here. And this fuse box, if you look back, that DC plug, I got it hooked up to a separate DC plug. The DC plug is going to the refrigerator. This cord is going, that's going to the refrigerator, I'm sorry. Over here, you got the other fuses running my fan, it's running my lights, and it's running my backup camera. So I got a backup camera hooked directly into it. That way I can have my backup camera going the whole time while I'm driving, because there's no rear view mirrors. So I use that backup camera to do that. And I got the fan hooked up, and I got the lights hooked up, as y'all can see right here. And that's the fan. And like I said, that's the microwave. So I can power my whole rig using the Bluetti. And the Bluetti is hooked up with 2 solar panels on the top, which pulls in 200 watts on a normal day. It just stopped raining. Let me see if the cloud went away. Not yet. It's still 3 watts. So once that goes in, you can hear it. It's pretty warm today too, despite it storming. That's why the fan compressor, the refrigerator compressor is still on. All right. Hope that's helped those that's wondering. Also, I got the power delivery that plugs up. I plugged that up to my Chromebook. These 2 cords is just USB chargers to various items. One is powers this up when I need it. This is my water fountain, and that's got a battery in there, so I just use that to charge that. The other goes to my hotspot. And this little LG phone, this is just a hotspot. This is a little cell phone I got extra through my job. So that's the little hotspot to power up my devices. That way I have internet in the house. I'm sorry, in my camper. All right, take care. God bless.